healing capabilities like Polymem. How can a single dressing do so much? Unlike any other dressing, Polymem is made up of 5 key components: hydrophilic polyurethane foam, a super-absorbent starch copolymer, a non-toxic, non-ionic, healing tissue-friendly wound cleanser, glycerin, which acts as a moisturizer, and the semi-permeable thin film backing to optimize the moist wound healing conditions. The superabsorbent starch copolymer absorbs and binds the water molecules from the wound fluid, allowing the natural growth factors and nutrients to concentrate in the wound bed. The non-toxic, non-ionic wound cleanser is activated by moisture and is gradually released into the wound bed from the dressing matrix. This healing tissue-friendly surfactant loosens the bonds between the healthy tissue and wound debris, loosens eschar and necrotic tissue, and supports autolytic debridement. The dressing's built-in, continuous cleansing capabilities minimize the need for manual wound bed cleansing during dressing changes, which can be harmful to newly formed tissue and are known to be a significant cause of wound pain. Polymem contains glycerin, a moisturizer which helps keep the dressing from adhering to the wound, reducing wound trauma and pain during dressing changes. Glycerin is also recognized as an excellent energy source for the healing tissues. The thin film backing allows the moisture vapor transmission rate of Polymem to self-adjust based on the exudate level of the wound in order to maintain a moist wound healing environment. Clinicians will often mark the approximate wound margin on the dressing after applying the dressing so that they can monitor the line and not disturb the wound except to change the dressing. For optimum results, it is recommended to change the dressing when the exudate absorbed into the dressing is visible through the top of the dressing at the approximate wound margins.